Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add dietary requirements to Eventbrite. It is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and select the event that you wanted to add a dietary requirement. Right, for example, this one, a birthday party. I'm just going to click on the three dots right here. All right, and hit on edit. Wait for the website to load. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the left pane under the particular event. Right here, you can go ahead and click on build event page. Click on it. Now, once it loads, you're going to want to go ahead and scroll down. All right. Now, until you find good to know section, just click on the plus sign right here. And if you want to, you can go ahead and click add age info. Click on this one. Is there an age restriction? There's an age restriction. Click on this one. It could be just 18 plus, free parking, paid parking, or no parking option. Just go ahead and click on add to event. Now, you're going to want to add in a question. For example, this one, click add question. Now in here, there are a ton of questions right there for about dietary requirements. For example, this article right here. All right, it could be food allergies. Since it's a birthday, we're going to want to ask if the attendees have food allergies. All right, do you have a food allergy? Just click on the answer and type in yes or no, or no. All right, once done, if you want to add more questions, just click on add. Are you on a dairy-free diet? Yes or no? And add some more, for example. Are you on a ketogenic diet? Question mark, and answer yes or no. Some things like that. Now, once you're done adding your particular questions or dietary requirements, just go ahead and hit on save. Now, once you send this particular event to a person, they will be able to see these questions for them to be able to answer. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.